Hey, Mia. What are you doing over there?
I am looking at Shanghai on my tablet. Look at this.
Check these out, Mia. 4 train tickets to Shanghai.
Oh my gosh! Are we taking the high-speed train from Beijing to Shanghai?
Yes, it is over 1,300 kilometers, but it takes only 4 hours and 18 minutes.
That is crazy fast. Thank you so much, Dad. Mom! Leo!
Are we really going to Shanghai now?
Yes, Leo. We are leaving Beijing tomorrow morning.
Wow, I just cannot believe it.
All right, kids. It is time to pack your bags now.
Pack light, Leo. Please do not bring too many toys. Okay.
I am already all done.
Is everything ready for our trip tomorrow?
Yes, we are completely all set for the trip.
Perfect. Let's get some sleep because tomorrow is a big day.
Good morning, family. Let's check everything. Do we have our IDs?
Yes, they are right here in my small bag.
Perfect. I am ordering a ride on my phone right now.
Is it a big car? We have 4 big suitcases with us.
Yes, it is a big SUV. It will be here in 3 minutes.
Look outside! Our ride is finally here!
Come on. Let's put the suitcases into the trunk.
Wow, this car trunk is absolutely huge.
Everyone hop in. Our next stop is Beijing South Station.
All aboard, everyone! Our next stop is Shanghai.
Can this train go any faster?
We are already flying on the track. We can travel 1,300 kilometers in just 4 hours. Look at that screen.
Look at the numbers! We are going crazy fast now.
Let's count together. 100, 200, 300, 350 kilometers an hour.
Yes. And the new CR450 train will reach 400 kilometers an hour very soon.
Wow, that is completely insane.
We are finally here. Welcome to Shanghai Hongqiao Station.
Wow! This train station is so huge.
Look at the signs. They are written in both English and Chinese.
Yes, it is very easy to find our way around here. We are out of the station now. Where is the taxi stand?
Look over there, Dad. It is very close to us.
Good night, everyone. We have a big day tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Today we are heading to YuGarden.
Look at those fish in the water. They are bright red. I am starving now. Let's find some food to eat.
These are xiaolongbao. They are famous soup dumplings.
Is there really soup inside this small dumpling?
Yes, there is. Please be careful because it is very hot. Step 1. Gently scoop the dumpling onto your spoon. Step 2. Bite a small hole in it. Can you see the soup? Step 3. Drink the hot soup first. It is so yummy.
Oh my gosh! This soup tastes absolutely amazing.
Step 4. Now you can eat the whole dumpling.
I really love this traditional Shanghai food.
I think Shanghai is the best trip ever.
Next up, let's go and explore Tianzifang together.
Welcome to Tianzifang, everyone!
Wow, the streets are very narrow here.
This is a traditional longtang. It means a small alleyway.
It really feels like a secret maze. Hey, Mia, look around. All these streets look exactly the same.
Let's turn left here, because that side looks bright.
No, let's turn right. Look at those beautiful red lanterns. See, I am right. Look at that cool shop over there. Look at this little panda. It is riding a small bicycle.
Wow, that is so funny and cute, Leo. Leo, look at that old man over there. He has big scissors. What do you think he is doing?
He is making traditional Chinese paper art.
Wow! It turned into a beautiful butterfly. Now!
Hello there. This beautiful paper butterfly is for you, young lady.
Oh, 谢谢. Thank you so much for the gift, sir.
Goodbye. I hope you have a wonderful trip here.
Goodbye! Look at Nanjing Road. There are so many colorful lights.
Look, a small train. It is the famous Dang Dang car.
Let's hop on the train right now.
This street is so beautiful, and I love shopping here.
Look over there. This walking street leads directly to the river.
That is the Bund. Let's get off the train now.
Dang, dang, this little train is so cool.
Oh my goodness! Look at this incredible night view.
Look behind us, kids. These buildings are very old.
Yes, Mom. They look like European-style buildings.
They have a long history, and they are very beautiful.
Now look across the river, everyone. Those buildings are brand new.
Wow! They look totally modern and futuristic.
They are so incredibly tall. They are so incredibly tall.
Yes, Leo. They are called skyscrapers.
That is the Shanghai Tower. See how it is twisted?
And look at those big pink balls over there.
That is the famous Oriental Pearl Tower.
Let's go and take a riverboat ride right now.
The river water looks like an oil painting because the lights are shining.
The old buildings over there have warm yellow lights.
And look at the new buildings. They constantly change colors.
Blue, red, green. It looks like a giant light show.
Let's take a family picture together. 1, 2, 3. Shanghai! Shanghai
Best
is
night
definitely the best trip ever.